what's up? How's it going? This is Easy Pictures to Draw. Hopefully you're having a good day. Today we're going to over how to draw a cute Black Panther from the movie, the superhero. So let's get going into that. Before you do though, please, if you guys like drawing cute stuff, you guys like general drawing information at all, click that subscribe button and click that little bell icon. That bell icon is going to give you notifications for future videos. So today what we're going to do is we're going to start with a pencil real quick. Any pencil at all, it doesn't matter. We're going to be using regular, completely ordinary construction. This is basically printer paper, but this is 11 by 17 tabloid size, but it doesn't matter. It's the same thing. It's just printing paper. So I'm going to start with an underlay. I'm going to draw like very sketchy right here just to get my placement, and I'm going to put this paper underneath my other one. So I'm drawing like so, like a little circle for the pillow-like body, legs, arms, and the claws are going to be sticking out there. Here for the necklace. What is that? Necklace. He's got that spike necklace, which is a very kind of iconic thing. Gonna split it down the middle here. Circles for the eyes. Kind of the cat ears. And he has a few cool designs on his head, and I want to leave that in there. Not a lot, but that's kind of the reason why I did this, because in case I miss it. So I have my undersketch, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that and slide it underneath another piece of paper. And that, you just do it fast, really scribbly. Don't. In fact, the less thinking, the better. I'm going to go in here with a marker, and this is a Faber Castell PITT artist pen, big brush. It is very similar to Sharpie, but it doesn't smell, and it's a lot better in my opinion. Let's get going here. Drawing the underside of his face. And I'm gonna think of these like sides of the face right here, those 2 points of the chin. Pulling up to the ears. Other ear. Arms. Arms are just basically little sausages, really. Legs. Legs are the same. Just really simplistic little features. And I'm going to draw the claws sticking out. Then I'm going to go over here, draw that necklace he has. It's just little spikes. They're a little bit more complicated than that, but for a simplified version, we're going to draw just little spikes. And then we're going to go to the eyes. And the eyes is pretty flat on the top, kind of round at the bottom. Design mark on his face. Design mark right here. And these kind of lesser than signs, they call them. It's kind of like, reminds me of math, those math signs, lesser than or greater than. Did you guys see the Black Panther movie? That was really cool. Did you guys like it? Comment in the, comments below if you did or didn't. Let me know. Let me know why. I'm really curious. Also, these designs here on the face, and they're essentially little lines. They're very, very simplistic lines. And you don't have to be exact with this. This stuff is work in. I mean, it's not a work in progress, but they're a lot simpler than you may think. And I'm putting all these little designs also on the arm. They're just little stripes. And you don't have to be precise with them. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a regular, this is a black colored pencil, that's what I used originally. And I'm going to, instead of, there is two choices. I'm just going to color everything black except for the stripes that I pulled out. So there's a few things in the decision making to this. You can go with a marker and kind of kill that marker and just completely fill this guy in very black, but things wouldn't read very well, so I decided to use a colored pencil instead. I thought it would just look better, and I thought it would save me my marker there. While I'm doing this, let me talk a little bit about the movie. The movie I thought it was pretty cool. I really enjoyed it. CG was a little weird. I thought it was a little strange, but overall I thought it was extremely enjoyable to watch. I saw it a few days ago, and I should have come out with this video last week, but I've been sick. If you guys ever have any questions, you know, go here, or you can also go to the official website. It's easythingstodraw.net. That's the website I have a lot of art tutorials on. But yeah, essentially I'm just coloring it flat using the side of the pencil here. I think I'm using the side because if I use the tip, it's just going to take forever. I think I want the side gives it this kind of flat look that I'm trying to find. For the eyes, I'm gonna just kind of, I'll leave them light like that, but I'm gonna throw a little bit of, use the side of my pencil to give it a little bit of shadow for some dimension. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much. Well, what you could do, hold on, one second. I could throw some orange here. I'm sorry, orange. Some yellow on the necklace. And this one's kind of broken, actually, but I did get it barely here. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I do appreciate it. If you guys did like it, please press the like button and share the video somewhere. But yeah, thank you so much, guys. Subscribe. Oh, one last thing I forgot to mention. I'm selling prints on my website on easythingstodraw.net. I'll put the link in the description. Right now, I just have one print up. It is a Rick and Morty print that I am selling, but that's kind of it. That's the only, I'll just mention it really fast and I'll link it below. But thank you so much, guys. Talk to you tomorrow.